Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Etoro application on your Android phone. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your Play Store and in the search box type in Etoro and search. Look for this application that says Etoro Trade Invest Connect. Etoro is a global social investment and multi-asset brokerage platform that empowers individuals to connect, learn and invest in a wide range of assets, including stocks, EFTs, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and more. To begin downloading the application for your Android, tap on the install button and wait until the application is downloaded and installed, which will only take a few minutes. Once it's done, you can open the application and start trading. That is how you should be able to download Etoro application for your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.